Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. I am doing just great. Hope you guys had a great weekend like I did. Anyway, so this is going to be about certain types of emails that I've been getting, and this isn't the first time I've been getting these emails. I've been getting a lot of them from different people, never the same person, basically kind of telling you what you're doing wrong on your YouTube channel with either certain videos or whatever, and how they can help you and fix what you're doing wrong and end up getting more views than anything else. Now, I'm not really into YouTube, and I never have been into YouTube for the views. It's more of like helping others out as far as if they're running into any problems or if they're working on something, don't know what to do, finishing issues, whatever. Usually it's something going on in the comment section, or I will get an email from somebody who needs just a little bit of a helping hand to get through the issues that they're getting through. Now, this is something that I don't know what it is, if it's either a legit thing as far as an email goes and not a spam or a scam or whatever. And I'm really not into YouTube for any type of money either. I'm not making a profit at all off of YouTube. I have the one channel only. I end up just, like I said, posting up videos that possibly can help others, or, showing what I've been working on and what I've been doing and how I've been doing it. And, people can either learn off of it or, comment on it, whatever. But yeah, this is one of the emails I've ended up getting. Now, I get these several times a year. Usually I just discard them and don't even think nothing about it. But this one here, I ended up kind of like looking at and reading it, seeing what the guy was saying and stuff. It's like, yeah, okay, what's in it for you if this is an actual thing. Second one that I ended up getting is basically advertisement for a company that is, I guess, I'm not sure if they're willing to give you something for you to review. Now, I've had this before years ago on an old channel where I was doing a lot of purchasing off of eBay, and some of the sellers of some of the things that I was purchasing seen I had a YouTube channel, and basically it was Eric C. Reviews and Toys, or Toys and Reviews, something like that. So I was doing a lot of reviews on different stuff and kind of explaining what it is, how it works, this, that, and the other. And they wanted me to do kind of reviews on their products that they're selling. Either was a private store that I was purchasing from, or maybe it was for a company, who knows. But anyways, I ended up doing what they said to do, and that kind of went with that channel years ago. But I get stuff like this as well. And what this is a microphone that these guys are willing to, I guess, send me to enhance my YouTube creator experience. I don't use a microphone, okay? I don't even use a camera when I'm doing my videos. I use my cell phone. A lot of these cell phones have better quality pictures. Some of these webcams or stuff like that, you got shitty quality, poor microphone. It just isn't there. And then some people use different cameras that are not cell phone related whatsoever, and they've got better quality and higher quality video and audio, different microphones and shit. I don't know how a microphone is going to boost up my videos as far as, but they want me to do some type of review using their microphone and basically giving out some information about their microphone, explaining what it is, how it works, if it's any good or not. But yeah, this is like garbage email to me. I get these all the time. This is not going to boost, my views. Is not going to boost my subscribers. I don't care about boosting my views. I don't care about boosting my subscribers. It doesn't mean anything to me as far as getting anything back, because I'm not looking for anything to come back to me in return. As long as I'm giving somebody a helping hand, or if somebody needs help with something, or there's a discussion that, questions that need to be answered and stuff, and if I can answer them, then that's what I'm there for. So yeah, this is what's been going on my weekend so far, and what I should do is collect all of these emails and put them in a folder, and then show them, through every year of how many of these things I get. And if they're bullshit, well, then that's where they belong, is in the trash. If they're legit, sorry guys, I'm just not interested.